Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we'll be installing new headlights on a 2021 Ram 1500. Now let's get started. Tools required for this install: masking tape, panel popper, handheld ratchet, 10mm socket, 8mm socket, T25 socket, and finally an extension. First, open hood. Apply masking tape. Remove 12 push pins. Now you can remove your top radiator shroud with your handheld ratchet, 8mm socket. Remove 1, 2, 3 8mm screws. Pull back your fender liner up to the third screw you removed. Once you've peeled back your fender liner, pinch in 1, 2, and 3 clips. Pinch your clip. Remove 10mm bolts, holding on side piece. Remove 10mm bolts. Hold down and push back on the side trim. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Remove 8 10mm bolts. Remove 2 push pins. Remove your top bumper trim. Remove 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Remove 4 10mm bolts. Now we can remove the front grille. First, remove push pin. Now remove 1, 2 10mm bolts. Top, disconnect headlight harness. Now unseat headlight. Get it from the top. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Now that we've removed the OE headlight, go ahead and transfer the bottom bracket. Start off by removing 5 T25s. Now just pull up your bracket, bring in your new headlight, going to align with these 2 guide pins. Install your T25s. Repeat the same process on the other headlight. Bring in your new headlight. Connect your harness. Make sure it clicks into position. Seat your headlight. Reinstall your push pin. Reinstall your two 10mm bolts. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Bring in your grill. Make sure to tuck in one corner first, followed by the middle. Pull the tab back, clip the grill onto the headlight. Reinstall your three 10mm bolts. Repeat the same process on the other side. Reinstall your four 10mm bolts. Now you can reinstall your top bumper trim. Reinstall your two push pins on each end. Now you can reinstall your 8 10mm bolts. Now reinstall your top radiator shroud. Reinstall your push pins. Reinstall your side trim. Reinstall your 10mm bolts. Tuck in your fender liner. Reinstall your three 8mm screws. Reinstall your side trim. Reinstall your 10mm bolts. Align your fender liner. Reinstall your 8mm screws. Remove masking tape. Close the hood. Now we're ready to begin function.